Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Yo guys, what a week. Like, thank you so much guys for like your support and everything. I really appreciate it. It is like crazy, wild, insane right now. Like the likes, the comments, the subscriptions, the views. I really appreciate it. I hope that like it's adding value and you guys are finding some useful information or you're getting some motivation to get started. I hope it's doing something for you. There's still more to come. Okay. This is only just the beginning, and for people that have asked for like the list of foods that they can eat and whatnot, like, we are still in this together, and I will be checking up on you guys in the next week or so just to check if you guys are on like the right track and like how you feeling and if you've already started. So you better get started. And yeah, I'll just be helping you guys out. And if you do still want the list guys, and if you are interested in starting like keto, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comments section below. Okay, I got you. I won't leave you hanging. Yo, you guys are the real ones. Like, I see you. Wow, it's been really overwhelming.
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled. I'm happy because I never expected it.
And do like share it with your family, your friends, your next door neighbors, your priests. You know, let's take it to church. Welcome. We are a family here. We are doing this losing weight thing together. Okay, so on today's topic, keto on a budget. Keto on a budget. We gonna save some coins. Yes, we are. Anyways, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is keep it simple, guys. I can't stress this enough. You need to keep it simple. Okay, make your own food. That's the, like, in anything that you do, you know, just in general in life, making your own food is much cheaper than like buying ready-made stuff. Okay, so keep it simple, make your own food. And secondly, on the list, make use of what you already have in your cupboard, in your fridge, because I know for a fact that you probably do have some of the things that are on that green list if you have the green list already. If not, you know what to do. I'm gonna do this by category. You know, yes, Jonah. So here's a J, section by section. Okay, let me just. First things first is the meat category. So now, budget-wise, the best thing you can get for yourself is tuna. Tuna in the salt water, or like tuna in olive oil. I know for us it's often in that vegetable oil. Don't get that one. Don't do that to yourself. It's a trap, because we're not allowed to have it on keto. So get it in salt water. I haven't found the one that's like in olive oil or something different than vegetable oil. So so tuna is the one thing that you can get that's cheap. You can also use pilchard, but apparently they say that you need to drain the tomato sauce or the sauce. Is it tomato sauce? Hey. Yeah, you need to drain the sauce, okay? The sauce. Wow. Yeah, rara. Yeah, private school. What? Yeah, you can get pilchard, you can get tuna. You can also get chicken livers, or just livers in general. You can eat that. You can also eat tripe as well, so you can get that if tripe is your vibe. If it's your vibe, like, you can get that as well. Sausages, you can get sausage, you can eat sausage. Some people also have cheese grillers. I haven't really tried them yet. now that I'm on the journey, I've had cheese grillers before, guys. Okay, like before you come at me, please. I had them before, but I'm just like, this year I haven't had cheese grillers or tried to like incorporate it in my eating plan now, which I should, because cheese. Another thing that is much cheaper is mince, and it's cheaper and it comes with like ininzi. What you can make it and it could last, especially if you're only gonna be cooking for yourself. You can make it and it will last you maybe for 3 days. You know, that's another thing that you can make. And also, like with these foods, hey, I would like to add that it's foods that now you can eat with your family. So it's not the thing of I'm eating this and your family, you have to cook something different for them. You can just cook the same things. And then if they're having rice, you just have your cauli rice. Huh? Huh? Sounds like a plan to me. Sounds like a plan to me. Okay. Another thing is chicken and pork is fairly cheaper than red meat. So yeah, get chicken and pork, and you don't have to eat like just chicken breast. You can have chicken with the skin. That makes me so happy. Don't understand. Another thing is bacon. Buy bacon. Buy a lot of bacon. Buy bacon. Hey. Like I said, keep it simple, guys. In the first couple of weeks for me, I was having bacon. That first month, I was just, not having bacon, but like I was having breakfast in that first month. Always, to make it easier for me when I start all over again, I just start with breakfast. I'm eating breakfast for lunch, I'm eating breakfast for dinner. Break my fast, having my breakfast. Okay? That's what we mean by keep it simple. On to the next section. Vegetables. Veggies. Eat your veggies. So what I get today is like broccoli, collie. Hey collie. What I get is cauliflower. I keep referring back to it because I love it. You know, I love a what's this? What's the word? I love a versatile queen. Versatile. I love a versatile queen. I love a versatile queen. You know, I love a queen that you can just switch from, regular schmegular to noodles to rice to mash. I love it. You gotta love, like cauliflower is that bitch. Cauli is that girl, guys.
Whomst are you?
I'm the girl.
And then another thing is pumpkin. I have pumpkin, not a butternut, guys. Difference of mehluko ne. Butternut, different vegetable from pumpkin. Might sometimes look like, but no, different veggies. Okay? and you can only have butternut, like I think sometimes. I'm not correct, but I think you can only have it sometimes. And pumpkin is in the green list, so that's great. That's very good. Another thing that I have is gem squash, my favorite. I always have it with mint and some cheese on the top. Your gem squash, guys, like, and then obviously like onions and mushrooms, yeah, to add on. My add-ons are like the onions and the mushrooms, green pepper, red pepper, and all that other stuff sometimes. And with regards to vegetables, guys, I know that Food Lovers Market, yeah, you can get your stuff for cheap at Food Lovers Market, but I tend to not buy in bulk because I know for a fact that my things are gonna go off. So yeah, you can also just go weekly or bi-weekly. It's the choice is yours. Hey, another thing is cabbage. Can have your cabbage. And then going into the next section, oils. So with regards to oils, butter is your cheaper option if you don't want to buy coconut oil or your extra virgin olive oil. Butter is your best booms. Okay, start with butter. Salted butter, not margarine. No. Not vegetable oil, no. Butter. Yeah. Block. Not block. The block. Buy that. Buy 2 of it even. Then you know you're sorted for the month, guys. Next on the list is poultry. I'm a kind of guys, eggs. Buy eggs. Have a lot of eggs. Have a lot of eggs. Eggs are my go-to, as I've already mentioned. That breakfast. I mean, my breakfast is not breakfast without eggs. So eggs. Buy a lot of eggs. They're actually getting expensive nowadays. Hey, like inflation. Wow. But yeah, so eggs. If eggs are not your thing, then I think use tuna option. Like add tuna to your meal or just eat chicken instead. So yeah, just eat chicken instead. Hi. Next is dairy. So with regards to that, cheese in the dairy, cheese is also a bit pricey as well, but like if you also like cheese like myself, I will make that sacrifice. Like it's okay. Take my coin, take my money, it's fine. Rob me, okay, of my finances. Mess up my budget. Okay, I'm exaggerating. But yeah, cheese is another thing for dairy, and then double cream yogurt, which is 19 rand, 20, 23, 24, 25. So yeah, full double cream yogurt is also with regards to the things that I'm mentioning, like especially with the dairy stuff, it's filling as well. So that's why it would make it much easier for you to fast, because when you're eating these particular oils and this dairy in your new lifestyle, it fills you up for quite some time. So yeah, that's the dairy section. Cream is expensive. Fresh cream is expensive. I have checked it, it's expensive. Okay, next, sugars. Okay, so I know that like alternative sugar is pricey, just like honey, and honey is on the sometimes list. So I just want to mention the different sugars that you can have that are an alternative from what you used to and are the ones that you can have on the green list. So there's stevia, there is erythritol. Erythritol. I still don't know how to say it. And then the other one is it starts with an X. Xylitol. But like it is on the green list as well. I won't lie to you. The sugars are maningi mani. The sugars are pricey, but you know what? It will last you a month if you're not using it like every day. Like also, you shouldn't be using it every day. For me, my favorite one is the one I can't pronounce. It's the E. The E for me is my favorite one. Xylitol gives me the shits and stevia tastes crap. Just gonna put it out there. Like, it is what it is. So that's the sugars. And then I know it's not on a budget, guys, but I just want to put it out there. Also, I just like to say that like you need to avoid flour, wheat flour, all-purpose flour, like all self-raising, all that stuff. You need to avoid it. And there are alternatives for it as well. You can use almond flour, you can use coconut flour. Almond flour and coconut flour, hey? So you can use that. I haven't had my almond flour yet. I don't know like how it tastes and whatnot. Coconut flour, I've used it to make my muffins. So I'm pretty pleased with that one for now. And yeah, but I'll keep putting you guys on. If something doesn't taste nice for me, maybe it might be different for you, but I'll let you guys know what tastes nice and what just doesn't. So yeah, and fruits, yeah, you'll see on the green list what you can have, because with the fruits that we can have, I think strawberries used to be on the green list, but now they're on the orange. Raspberries, blueberries and stuff, like that stuff is pricey, and all the other your favorites, your apples and bananas are on the orange list. So I would advise you not to have that in the first month. Try not, stay away from like those kinds of fruits for the first month. Please do yourself a favor and stay away for that first month, because they are high in carbs, so, and the sugars that we're not allowed to have. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was useful, because we all here to learn. And if you already on this journey and like you post meals and stuff on your page and like some motivation, please do put your handle in the description. Please put your handle in the comment section so that you can help me and help others as well. Watch out for my next one, which will be keto friendly snacks that I eat. And please do like, comment, and subscribe. We're doing this. We're a family now.